The core values of care are at the core of what we do, and we developed those 30 years ago when we started. They haven't changed: privacy, dignity, fulfillment, equality. But they don't matter. They're written down, you go through them, and then you live them. Then it's what you do every day. It's the way you treat each other. It's being treated in the way you'd like to be treated. The motto is, for me, if I wouldn't send a person that I employed to my parents, then I wouldn't employ them. So I look for that in those people. Otherwise, everyone also has strengths, though. We don't always need to be robots and all the same. And it's about really understanding what the strengths are of those person and how they'll complement the person that they go into. You have to have difficult conversations in this business. There are difficult conversations to be had, and you have different cultures and you're treating people equally. You treat people equally but differently because they're individuals, and that's the respect that you have for them. But when those, there are tensions there, it's just by communicating, understanding both sides, by being firm that everyone is individual and everyone deserves the same respect. I think it's a beauty of having a service this size is that everyone does know every person is a person, they're not a name. And I think that's really different, and that's staff as well as clients. We're always looking for the right person. We don't look for a job to fill, we look for the right person that we want working for us. So that's when that person comes through the door.